Hello friends, this is Pastor Darrell Alexander of the Nicholsville Pentecostal Church of God in Nicholsville, Ohio. I just want to take a moment to give you a word of encouragement for today. I want you to know that God is not dead. God is still alive. He's still all-powerful. He's omnipresent. He's omnipotent. The Bible lets us know that He's alive and well and triumphant. Thanks be unto God. You know, if God is dead, I want to know what newspaper column carried his obituary. If God is dead, I want to know what cemetery placed him in the ground. And if God is dead, I want to know what funeral home had his visitation. And if God is dead, I want to know what preacher preached his funeral. I'm here to tell you in the report today that God is still alive. And because He's alive, and because He's all-powerful, thanks be unto God, He has given us the victory to stand in these evil times. Let the power of God today overshadow you, embrace you, and fill you as you go forth throughout this day. No matter what difficulty, storm, tragedy, or trial that you may encounter, God is greater. I want you to know this today, that it still remains true and in effect. And that is, greater is He that is in you than he that is in the world. Because of God, we are overcomers through Him that loved us.